Welcome to the Pegasus Solar training video for conduit support installation on composite and tile roofs. For composite roofs, first pry up the course of shingles above the desired conduit mount location. Next, apply compliant roof caulking in a U-shape on the underside of the flashing. Then, install the flashing under the above course of shingles and place the conduit support block over the flashing cone. With the conduit strap on the lag screw above the EPDM washer, drive the lag through the decking to secure the conduit. A pilot hole is only necessary for installing into a rafter. For tile roofs, first lift the above course of tiles where the tile accessory mount will be installed. Then, hook the mount around the top edge of the tile. Next, install the conduit strap using either the included nut and bolt or your own self-tapping screw in one of the pre-drilled starter holes. Pegasus's tile accessory mount provides a mechanical connection and holds conduit 1 inch above the roof for both lateral and up-roof conduit runs. Using these tips will make your conduit run easier and help you have a better day on the job.